Okay, so I'm Afaf from CFS IIUM Malaysia.
Yeah.
And I, Shifa Hainini.
We're doing some research about code switching in Introduction to Language subject, and specifically we're doing about linguistic constraint. First, can you introduce yourself?
Yes. First, my name is Artwan Naji. I'm from Benghazi in Libya. I have an MA in applied linguistics. Yes. This is me.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, can you explain a little bit about code switching?
Code switching.
Yeah.
Yes. Code switching means that first of all, code means a language. Code means language. Code switching means that when a speaker switch between two languages in the same context, whether it's written context or spoken context. This is what code switching is: to switch between two languages in the same context, whether it is spoken or written context.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
I don't know, guys, if you heard me.
Okay, as we do the research, we found that linguistic element for code switch is syntax. What is the relationship between code switching and syntax?
Yeah, actually, maybe there is not a direct connection between code switching and syntax. Code switching is a social-linguistics phenomenon, social-linguistic phenomenon. But syntax is a subfield of linguistics. There is no direct connection between them. If you know what I mean. Code switching is a social-linguistic phenomenon. Has nothing to do in direct relationship with the syntax. There is no direct.
Next question.
Kita ni.
Okay je.
Okay, sir, do you know about linguistic constraint?
Linguistic constraint.
Constraints.
Yeah.
Linguistic constraints.
Yeah.
Do you know about it?
Well, yeah. Context with linguistic constraints.
Huh?
Can you put this word or this phrase in a context? Actually, I want you to know what do you mean by linguistic constraints?
Can you explain about it? Linguistic constraint is about when you speak two or more language, but you using each you're using the same grammar. Example, when you use Arabic, but you're using the grammar of either French or Arabic, but you can insert the French.
Sorry, can you repeat this again? I didn't hear you well. Can you repeat this again, please?
Okay, sorry. Linguistic constraint is when you're using talking in one language, but you're using a different grammar from other language.
Yeah.
It's like
Actually, it's not.
what?
Can you
Actually, this is not a constraint. This is what we call in linguistics thought of another language. Thought of another language. To use your thought in another language with a vocabulary with another one. Like here, some speaker of English in Libya using the English with what we call in linguistics Arabic thought, but with the English vocabularies and English words. This is we call thought of another language, using with a vocabulary and phrases in another language. So it's not a linguistic constraint actually. If you know what I mean, it is a thought of another language, using with the vocabulary or words with other languages.
Ah. So it's meant using.
The answer is a thought actually. Yeah.
So it's mean like using a word from other language and insert to our language. Is it like that?
Yeah, it's like thinking with your mother tongue, mother language. Your thinking is still in your mother tongue, okay? But you using the second language, for example, the English. Like we heard in Libya, we call it Arabic thought, using by using the English language, but with Arabic thought. It seems not understandable to the the native English speakers, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, next question is.
Okay. Did the grammar change when code switching happened?
Yeah. Come again, please.
Did the grammar change when code switch happened?
Actually, no, doesn't change, because you're changing with all the code of the other language, all the grammar, all the syntax and phonology of the other language. Like for example, I will give you an example in Arabic. For example, when I say, for example, please be this from. أنا جعان جدا. أنا عطشان جدا. For example, I'm using two languages in the same spoken context with its all grammar and phonology and morphology. You know, if you know what I mean. Grammar doesn't change with code switching.
Grammar doesn't change. Doesn't.
Apa saya?
Sorry, sir.
What kind of grammar or grammars are involved when people code switch? Is it in our mother tongue language or our second language?
Actually, yeah. You choose. You will switch all the
Grammars.
the features of the other language. Code switching means you switch all the features of the other language. So when you speak in Arabic, you are using Arabic grammar. When you switch to English, you will switch to English grammar as well. So switching, it means you switch from code to code. It means you switch all the features of the other language, the other code. So yeah, there's a switching between the grammar, from the grammar to grammar. When I said the grammar doesn't change, I mean the grammar of Arabic doesn't change when you're using Arabic, and the grammar of English doesn't change when you use English. If you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Sir, what is your opinion regarding code switching in education? Do you hear?
Yeah, actually, in education, yeah, code switching is important in education, especially when the teacher using what we call in teaching contrastive approach. It means you will differentiate between the language, two languages, and show the similarities between them and differences between them. It will make it so easy for the teacher and for the students as well to see what is what is the differences between this language and the other languages, especially when the teacher using the contrastive approach to the mother tongue of his students or her students and the target language, whether it's English or French or Russian. It's very important, this phenomenon, to be focused on in teaching. It is very important.
Oh. I understand.
Yes.
I think that's all from us. Thank you, sir, for being
Our interview.
for being our interviewee.
Yeah, you are welcome. Yes, you are welcome. You can make interviews like this whenever you like. Just send me.